Home building with panels. Large construction companies and private building owners have a great demand of reinforced autoclaved aerated concrete panels. Because of the exceptional quality, reinforced autoclaved aerated concrete can be combined with a quick and simple construction. Factory manufactured construction kits for ready-made homes are supplied on site. Transportation of panels in upright position. Panels are numbered to facilitate installation in correct sequence. The stack is set on the concrete platform foundation. Damp-proof material protects the panel wall against ground humidity. A wooden board is fixed to facilitate correct setting of the panel. Cement mortar is prepared. The edge panel is set on the cement mortar. Glue is prepared. Glue is applied with notched panel, one after the other is set into the cement mortar and vertically glued with adhesive. Corrugated metal joints fix the panels while the glue starts hardening. Fixing of corrugated metal joints. A lintel is installed above the door. Again, a corrugated metal joint is fixed. Blocks are often used to compensate height differences or provide additional height as shown here. A long lintel covering 2 windows. Floor slabs are installed. A simple clamp presses the floor slabs together. Many home or apartment owners prefer to set the interior walls according to their needs. For instance, initially for children's rooms, later to be removed for other requirements. Panels are cut to size on site. One installer can easily erect panels using the universal trolley. Dry mortar from a silo is mixed to use as grout underneath the panels. The panels are pressed against the ceiling with wooden chims. The bottom gaps are filled with grout. External panels for the upper floor. The first panels are secured by diagonal wooden sticks. Roof slabs are fixed. The slabs have tongue and groove. You can see here a complete townhouse. This is a one-family townhouse in Bremen. As an example for a variety of applications of autoclaved aerated concrete panels.
Wehrhahn. Since 1892.